Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 Kia Sportage. Now of course you get your LED daytime running lights, you get halogen automatic headlights as well. We then also have these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course are a 17-inch alloy. I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. Around to the rear now, we've also got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera just up at the top there. And inside the tailgate we have plenty of room inside of here with 60/40 split, completely flat folding rear seats. Then of course you also get this brilliant pull-out privacy shelf as well. Then coming back out of the round again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Into the back of the car we've got full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom, electric windows all round, heated front and rear seats. Inside the car we've got your automatic gearbox, air conditioning controls with climate settings as well. Your heated seats are just here below the climate controls. Media settings are along here, so as you can see you've got satellite navigation. You've then got your various media sources as well. So you've got Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, sounds of nature if you don't quite fancy having your music on, or you can go to radio where you have your DAB, FM and AM. Then to the steering wheel we've got your voice assistant, volume, track select, Bluetooth hands-free. Over on the right you've got your onboard computer controls with your cruise control as well. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this Kia has done 30,931 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia Sportage, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.